Hey, what's up YouTube? Dutty Bear here. Welcome to another The Road with Dutty. This is year 3 or year 4 of Take Style Out Observers Take Style Out. I'm there with Novia. Mr. Devin Di Dakta. Cecile is here. We have Shelly and Kuran. We have Tosh. I hope I'm getting the name right. And a whole heap of other people are going to buck up. So let's get into the video. Hi, Miss Swirl.
Hello.
Where are we right now?
We're at Flirt Petite currently. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
20% off the entire store.
You enjoying it? Everything is good?
Yeah, great. Fantastic.
So right now, this is where the food is at. You know? Alright, just talk to me about what's going on right here, what we have here. This is what, pasta?
Yeah.
Pasta on this?
No, this is a chicken ball.
This is chicken?
Oh.
Yeah, and this is?
This is artichoke wrap.
Yeah, sound like something I can't spell. Okay? Sound like okey pokey. Oh, picture time? Okay. You're not going to be in the shot too? No, so this is you see.
And my shoes busted, so.
Yeah. But tell me, after 3 today and the whole of my foot bottom, like the shoes here, they just tear off.
We need to laugh.
And I just took it off and walking after 3.
That's not what happened with me though.
Okay.
I was rushing to come out because the driver reached for me and he reached up in my door, in my car.
Yeah.
So you never just run home and get her.
You could have come Motor Baruka style. You could have found Motor Baruka style.
It's old Hollywood right now. Old
okay.
Hollywood.
Alright, watch you. Don't want to look at tear then because the tear that go up in the eye.
Hold on. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi.
Hold on, let me get in. Hold on, I'm going to try to zoom in. What did Shelly tell you today about where you were going? Because you tell me so she tell you dress appropriately. Suppose a church where they go. I'm going to say a little belly skin, something there go on.
It's okay, the Lord loves a little skin.
So talk to us about the look.
Alright, so these,
yeah.
I normally like to wear heels, but since I wasn't wearing no heels in that rain today, I figured I'll bring out the bling.
Yeah,
right? Alright, bring it up to the tighties.
Alright, that's
Can never beat a good fitting jeans.
Oh, you have hip and all of these
yeah,
things.
Man,
Big up. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You get the blessings from God. So now we reach up to the shirt.
Alright, I figured I never know where we're going and I didn't know the occasion, but I figured regardless of what it was, the sleeves have a little excitement and attitude, and the color was bright personality.
Yeah.
So I pop on a little piece of the
catch
the details.
No, this looks appropriate for church.
Yeah, see there?
Church. Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. With some red lips.
And the hair now and all these things.
Yeah, man, hold on, you see the clip?
Yeah. Slow motion.
You got it?
Bust the 100 why now? Yeah.
We got a love situation, and this a woman get for understand. Say you can't keep it in your pants, you think that every girl make it.
The one you know?
Yeah. Almost there.
The one that look like a bright and go to school every single day. Like your Well Studios. So I'm here with Shelly and Kuran. Get the name right? Kuran.
Like the Bible.
Oh yes. Alright, so tell the people them what you do.
I'm artist manager. I'm marketing consultant.
Devin Di Dakta defender.
Your criminal attorney.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so who are some of the people that you manage?
Okay, well I have my son Delanda Coley and Devin, and I do PR for numerous different artists. I work with View Group.
Oh yeah. So a long time come hear the name. You know, growing up here, one of them names me here.
So yes, I'm old. We mean that I'm growing up like.
No, I'm not say from 0 years old, but you know when you start to enter entertainment, they hear the name, but you know read exactly. So like, what exactly you do?
Yeah,
you
so
know?
probably you heard my name when I was ringing around marketing.
Yes.
2 years in the music industry. And yes, I've already been to the Grammys. And yes, I've been Billboard.
Flip your ear. Oh yeah, enjoy management. What
I love management.
When you're taking a picture,
No
and you
video.
have a sweetie paper in your hand, you just put it in the back.
How will we look? There, sir. Okay. You know, some like me, I buy it. Shelly, always stay.
They're taking
Oh wow.
That's where you keep the things.
Oh wow. Novia.
Taking a picture.
No, that's your Jamaica.
Look like me though.
Jamaica.
Very why are they taking over my interview?
I don't know. Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Does she look like me?
Cheers.
Yes, she look like me.
Yeah, sisters.
I mean, look like she.
Cheers to my sister. Cheers.
A triplet in favor one or two. Look good people. See this? Okay. Alright, so how you enjoying like managing people now? Because
I love what I do. I love music. I love the business of music, and I love bringing professionalism to the music. I'm like,
you don't want to Miss Jamaica? Okay, you answer that a while ago like you're trying to get in a top 5.
Well, I've missed my opportunity, so this is it.
Okay, we can give you a Miss Jamaica question. Define what a matey is in 2017.
Matey in 2017 is
90% of the population.
No. I'm trying to be. I think it is the easier version of the wife because she doesn't have to cook and clean, and she basically gets, gets all
No,
that.
that's like a 1999 Macy.
Come here, you.
Go answer now.
I just met her in person a while ago.
The Macy's of 2017.
Were they?
These new ones? Yes. They're firstly 90% of the population. I'm not one of them.
Is a matey allowed
And they
to...
do
I
everything
was
now.
wife for a long time,
Is a matey allowed to lock shop?
Matey 1%. I mean,
Yeah,
Is
I'm
a
just
matey
saying.
allowed to lock shop?
what that means?
What that mean?
No dash out, no give up, no. Like say she don't want,
You mean
own
to
up her
somebody-
leg them. Yeah.
To somebody else?
Tell the man say she not the mood she can, but she'll lock shop.
As I said,
No, she's not allowed to lock shop.
No, the reality
No,
is, as I said before, matey is like wife now, because the men them don't make them feel no different. Them start treat the matey like the wife now.
That's what I was just saying.
Them blur the lines.
That's what I was saying. That is actually
mess
might
it
be a
up.
little bit better in this day to be a matey than a wife.
Cecile,
You know, not at all.
I've been both.
Okay.
You know, sir.
Which
Without
one
the ring,
more?
though,
Which one
without
more?
the ring.
Which one more? You've more occupied the
Well,
matey
let's put it this
position or the
way.
wife
I did a
position?
song called Girl on the Side.
Oh.
I remember that.
I'm basically just
Yeah.
saying, now I want to be the girl on the side because sometimes when them get too used to you, they be treating the side like better than you.
Oh, wow.
So it's probably better to
Okay.
continue.
We did have the ring, you know.
Oh Jesus, babe.
Down the aisle,
Well,
you
people
know.
that to say because they get passionate now. Oh.
But she was paid though. I can say that, right? It wasn't. You when you have the good no.
Yeah, true, but-
What do you think about the Danielle situation? What do you think about the Danielle situation? The Danielle DI?
What situation?
Where she said that she was dating somebody and get a £1 million settlement, and then the brother come out and say,
Lord,
You know, sir, I'm not
herself.
coming for that, man.
Shelley, excuse herself from that. Excuse herself.
Intermission. Carry was so long.
you still a film?
What I heard that play now.
yeah, I don't even know who this singing. I don't know.
Baby, make my love come down.
Jesus,
Okay,
sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you make my love.
No, it's vocal
come
range.
down.
Yeah.
We need that here. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, tell me I carry here. Hold on.
Where am I going now?
I don't know. Where I go? JUTC. Oh, sorry. Huh? Oh, around so? Sorry. There. Hold on.
Where they?
Oh.
Where they?
So Novia there, us.
Oh.
Wait, watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
What were they?
Which one?
Oh, this one.
Oh.
Right here.
Probably the back door, yeah, probably the back door.
That door's open. The door's open. The door's open.
Where are we going next? I don't know where we are going next now, but we are left from out of Manor Park and we're going... Where we're going next?
We're going to Tile City now.
We're going to Tile City. Okay. This look like a music video. Where are we going? We're going Taboo. Only if Taboo got half off. Where's the Bruce?
Victory at the back. So, where you go with them? Go with them.
Oh, bye Novia. Oh, somebody gonna. What are we going on?
Let me love you. Do you know how a lady is supposed to sit in a vehicle? Come, let me show you.
Hola. Alright.
Let me show you the difference between matey and wife.
Okay.
Matey,
yeah.
I'm up in the vehicle like so.
Yeah. And how the wife do it?
Does it like this? Michelle Obama.
Yes.
You sit first.
Yes. You just slide yourself over.
Slide them legs in the car.
Teach them, yeah.
Yes.
So now we're at Furniture Land. Furniture Land. Night. Yeah. How you doing?
Oh, yes. She's a buyer. She bought the bed.
Alright, they have 30 seconds are here, so
Don't fill them. Don't fill them to the top. Don't fill them.
Look like one Trey Songz music video.
you need to drink some more wine.
I want too much clothes.
Alright, so I've been at the place. I just got stuff my gut. And I'll know Novia don't come down from upstairs. We've been waiting for Novia for over like 20 minutes now. 20 minutes. Where should I? Oh, see her there. Shakom, hurry up. Hurry up, come up your food. Devin! Shakom! Oh gosh! Rush! It's 2 years in a row.
Can't you see what I've been going through? 'Cause I wanna be with you.
See, selected it. Yeah. We used to get one bag of virus. Or gets look into this look signature but cheap. Yes. Thank you. 2017.
That year number few, the man played the same whole song for me. So it could mean that I don't have any song. But through my travel, I have 9 passports. I know that it's not so. So I feel like it needs to get up later.
Yeah. Oh God, exact. The man have the rhythm, yeah. The man have the rhythm.
Did you just get excited for somebody else here? But I can tell them next year.
Yeah.
People don't say people who get song and they're mine. I own them.
Yeah.
I'm here to produce it.
Yes, Novia, dancing time. Yes, dancing time. Yeah, dancer. Yeah. Go to Devin. Yeah. are ravers. Yeah.
Tom Cruise. I really came down Tom Cruise.
Somebody else can get food a while ago. Somebody I tried sneaking before Novia see me, but you see me and say me can't eat food. So I'm going to know. Devin song start playing now. Yeah.
Come Dutty, give me Dutty berries.
Look coming on a song for play, Jesus Christ. Black world, yeah. So we're leaving Signature, but see, it looks like it's time for us to go. I don't know where we're going next, but let's go. Everybody's going. The waiting game.
Shop number 9. So all that.
Oh gosh. No, hold on. So I don't want to get into more bottom. So
No
let's say.
more bottom. We are at Signature's Boutique, Igor Business Center, shop number 9, and Jean and Sarai, the owner. Please come by. We give the best service in town. We are wonderful.
Yes.
Welcome.
And it's always a party here. Lovely vibe. And check out the new shoes. Yes, check out the shoe cab. Yes. Alright, take care. Alright, so yeah, you know me there at Amar's. In a half a tree, Constant Spring Road or something, you know. Yeah, that's it.
What are we talking about?
We don't know, we are talking about I don't know. The facts that we're waiting already. You get me? Yeah.
Valentine's Day, darling.
Thank you. You're well early. You're Valentine's Day prepaid. That's great. Big up on yourself. Who now big up? Greetings across the world.
Yeah, greetings.
Mama, you know your lot. Ashley, Ashton.
It's a big up, mama.
Good.
Nice, clean son.
Yeah, big up. You're not beating the sun with machete.
Make sure
God, we're not beating machete.
when you come Amars,
Okay, that's a
when
check.
you come Amars, you know get well done
the best
service.
customer
But look what you
ever.
doing in your Porsche bang and your Porsche Harry.
Look, the Porsche is straight.
No,
Look
jail.
here, a
Straight
Porsche
green,
is
straight
straight.
green, straight green,
Porsche
straight
is
green.
live.
Jail
You
fee.
may teach them education, but guess what?
No,
You
man,
never
jail
told me
fee.
to show a rate.
What do you think about the new leader, Peter?
It's all well and good. We have to just work with who we have. We have to
Peter
just work
Phillips
with
Simon.
who we have. We have to work with who we have.
What do you think about
can't
Lisa
work
and Damien coming up next?
Damien, I like Damien Crawford still.
coming up. Everybody goes. Everybody goes. But guess what? You see the 3 seat them?
Yeah.
The 3 seat. So you see who don't like that?
Yeah, yeah.
And don't wait.
Alright.
Done with you.
Peace out.
David. So you grab the artist here for what? Stop it.
Can I get some food, please?
Alright, so there one store now. And Cecile is looking on the lingerie.
It's my kind of style.
Yes.
Like,
So these type of things with the opening out right there, so?
Everything. And some you have like pearls here alone. You know,
Oh.
like this. I have
Oh,
that already.
you have that, okay.
And,
Oh.
and we go all out too. We do
Yeah.
everything. We do. Oh my God. Well,
Yeah,
I
what
guess.
yeah.
This not steady, man.
Or you can just put on one.
It's like all this. No, the big t-shirt. The garter, the cincher.
You take the lace away out.
No.
Big t-shirt.
Boring, girl. No man. Gosh.
My girl saw a lingerie, I got big t-shirt.
No. Big t-shirt is for when you're sleeping over with your girlfriend. It's a lumber party.
I asked Novia what she like. No, this is goals a while ago. Manager, take off one panty.
don't know how this works. Pick up your around with the lace up.
Pick a panty.
I like this the lace up thing in the middle.
Hit him. Tell him to deal with it.
Hold on, but what's that? You need to check the size. It's not one size fits all.
The shade of it all.
You may large them size.
I know, I'm looking for a large.
Looking for a large panty for Shelby.
My bottom is very real and it's big.
So that's it, Devin buying a panty.
Yes.
For
Devin, just a regular day. Just a regular day. Oh.
For somebody.
Okay, now want to switch from dancehall shade room. Devin the doctor does regular casually buying a panty. A big panty. You're beautiful. One large panty. Devin, who you buying the panty for?
For a female.
Lisa Hannah?
Probably. Shelly size.
Well, that's it, people, for Take Style Out 2017. It's a wrap. Thanks for watching this The Road with Dutty. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe, comment, all of these things. Follow me at Dutty Bear Show on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Peace out.
It's crazy. When Dan for the bus back, you see. Wait, like the road here, so I'm going to vlog. Kind of done. I'm going to show. Like the road at the back.
Yes.
You want to eat out? How is this going on? Oh. Look at some.
Big tune. Conscience are your biggest tune.
Yeah, no temperature.
Dancehall song that from a phone.
Really? Wow.
It on famous song there.
Not even the Charlie Black spot at the ball. Oh.
Turn me on.
Turn me on.
Looking at me eyes. Can't wait to put on a panty.
Oh, reach ready?
Yo, you see what traffic can do?
Yeah.
Because today in the traffic it felt like
Come like a 10 years.
Your camera don't get so please come here for the one back all the way up here.
Where is it?
My car they out there, so remember
You want to jump off now? Oh, okay. You can't pull right this off.
Bye, Cecile.
So nice. So nice to make me. So nice to make me.
What about Charlie?
You have flat shoes? Yeah.
Eh? No, but I had flat shoes and then when I then when I broke my strap, when I went home, I forgot to bring back my bedroom slippers.
Oh.
You know. That's it, Perry. Why are you all up in my grill?
Remember last time we did Bogo man the things that wouldn't think.
Well, tonight, sweetheart, it's only a tampon, some lip gloss.
Go try on your new panty then.
Right? Look at bossy dress.
Yes.
I'm going to take a picture of them and send it.
Bye, sugar. Nice to meet you.
Bye, darling.
Bye, sugar. Bye, sugar.
Okay, bless it. Oh, yeah. Yeah.